Hi, my name is Habiba if you're new here, and do I have an amazing wig to share with you? Do you see this beautiful realistic curl pattern? It is textured, it has color, it is beginner friendly, and it's a headband wig, and I can't wait to show you at least 7 ways to style it. I hope you're ready to have some fun, and thanks to HerGivenHair for sponsoring this video. So I'll be honest, when HerGivenHair reached out to me, I was pretty flattered because I knew their product was really good. I'd seen other girls wearing their hair and I knew it was good quality. So the box got to me via DHL. It took less than 10 days to get to me. Very sturdy box, as you can see, with the logo HerGivenHair on it. So as you know, if you've been watching me on this channel, I have featured a lot of headband wigs, but this is my first HerGivenHair wig, and so far so good. Okay, I wasn't expecting the foam in the box. So as you see, the first thing I see too is a matte black box with the gold logo on it. And to remove the box, I'm using the ribbon that's on the corner of the box. So I was kind of impressed. I really was impressed at all the measures they'd taken to secure this wig. So as you see, there is a black satin ribbon around the box, and it also has the logo on it, HerGivenHair. There is also their Facebook and Instagram logo on the back. It's clearly a well-packaged box. I am definitely one of those people who cares about details, whether in the form of packaging, and I was truly impressed. Do you see the sticker with the logo and the tissue? It was definitely carefully packaged, and it made me feel super special. One thing about HerGivenHair is they cater to only textured human hair, so they're definitely focused on hair that looks like ours. So the first thing in the box is the wig itself, and then they have also included a lot of accessories. I was really impressed. When I saw this Ankara fabric, I was like, yes, they really get me, they get me, and it's in a color that I love. And then there is this sort of leaf pattern on this piece of fabric. And we're going to be having so much fun trying on all these accessories. Here is a black knit headband. And yeah, I was just super happy with what they sent. Of course, leopard print is always nice. And then I was like, what is this? What is this curious looking scroll? Let's find out. So it turns out it's a list of new arrivals from last year, 2020. And as you can see, they collaborated with a number of pretty popular YouTubers that make hair videos as well. And as you know, HerGivenHair not only does full wigs, lace wigs, they have clip-ins as well, and so many other products. As you can see, they also included this silk-like drawstring bag where I can store the hair and any products I want myself. So let's get ready to see this hair, which you can see they included in a long, sturdy plastic bag. So there's a product card. It's a headband wig. The texture is Coily 3C4A, and it is colored. So you can get this same hair or this same wig in natural black, but since I had so many natural black wigs, I requested a color, and so I was pleasantly surprised to see this very bright reddish brown. Would you say it's reddish brown, reddish orange? I'm not sure. It looks different in different lights, but as you can see, there is a headband, as is typical of these headband wigs, and there's a very strong Velcro which opens and closes very easily. So I'm just putting the wig inside out so you can see the construction. There are 4 combs, one on either side of your head, one on the front, and one in the back or near the base of your head. And so there are also some bands that you can further secure the wig if you choose. I absolutely love this texture, especially because I have natural hair. And to get the curls popping even further, they suggested you co-wash or condition the hair. Also included in the box was a wig instruction book, which I found very informative. I did get minimum shedding with the co-washing. Plain face me, ready to try this hair. No makeup, rough looking braids, but it's okay. We're gonna get it together. So light makeup, lightly done my edges, which you don't have to do. I also have a stocking cap on. And isn't she beautiful? Look at this texture. Look at this color. Totally reminds me of Janet Jackson, the Velvet Rope era. Y'all remember that? Those of you old enough? I love me some Janet. Anyway, I can't wait to put her on. You can trim the ends if you want to. But I also wanted you to see that the tracks are closely sewed together, so there is no issue that you're going to see the tracks when you're wearing this wig. Okay, ready to pop her on. It is so beginner friendly. Just pop her on, and then I pull the hair to the front so that I can secure the band in the back. All right, so I'm just going to turn around to show you. You can see the wig cap there. I'm also going to secure the combs in the back, and then voila, just go ahead and put the Velcro band and we're done. Literally, it's that simple. Of course, there are combs in the front too if you want to secure that in place. Flip that hair. Okay, we look a little crazy. And now just pull the wig back. So literally that simple. You can do it. You can do it. If you've never tried a wig, this is definitely the wig for you. Now, the thing about HerGivenHair is she can be a little pricey compared to the other headband wigs I've showed you, but you get what you pay for. Look at that hair swing. Look how beautiful and natural that is. Remember, you get what you pay for. This is definitely quality human hair. Look at that. I felt so special, honey, so special. Okay, let's have some fun with these accessories. Since I'm already wearing the wig, the easiest thing is to put my hair in a ponytail and then just put the headband over and then pull it on. And you can wear it on your forehead if you don't have time to do your edges or you have alopecia or some sort of hair loss. But I prefer pulling it back. So I really like when I can see my edges. It just makes it look super natural to me. Okay, let's see what she looks like with my prescription glasses. Not bad, huh? Not bad. All right, so then there is this cylindrical piece of fabric. As you can see, a generous piece. And it has the logo on it. You can scrunch it up and put it over your head. It fits pretty snug, so I would do it without your wig on. And then put the wig on. And then you're going to pull the fabric over the wig. So you could wear this like a scarf in front, or you can wear it from the back like I'm doing. And just make sure you cover the band in the back. Super simple. I was feeling like a little African queen, and I don't normally wear my hair like this, but I was really feeling this. And as you can see, I'm rocking it with these large earrings because I think a big hairdo like this needs some dramatic earrings and accessories. So it's really cool that I don't have to use any gel or glue or worry about lace. And by the way, do you see the cut? I didn't cut that. That's how the hair came. It's really beautiful. So let's try the black headbands. And at first I was like, it's kind of redundant because the wig has a black headband, but I like that kind of pull back facelift it was giving me. I'm just going to pretend I have somewhere to go. I really don't, but let's just pretend. Peace. Let me stop playing. Anyway, let's see what it looks like with a ponytail. So I usually wear my hair in a ponytail, like a side ponytail like this. And as you can see, it looks pretty natural. So for the next style, I wanted to have it in a high puff with a few tendrils coming down the sides of my face. So I'm just pulling a few strands of the hair, and then I'm going to pull the majority of the hair in a high ponytail. And then we're just going to twist it. So it's really simple. Once I get the hair twisted, I tuck it with a bobby pin, and then I pull over the desired headband so it is sitting on top of the hair that I've pulled out, and it just creates this beautiful illusion. It looks very natural, kind of laid back, kind of nerdy. I think she's cute. I love this look. So for the next look, I want some bangs or a swoop. So I've gotten a section of hair and now I am going to pass it over to the opposite side and tuck it behind my ear and then pull over the desired headband. Voila! Simple, and it looks like it's growing out of my scalp. You cannot tell me this is not my hair. And I didn't even have to color it. Anyway, like I said before, this might not be your color, but you know, you can try the natural black. But isn't it amazing? It is so pretty. And with this Ankara necklace, I think it looks beautiful. Of course, because this is human hair, you can do a braid out, a twist out, you can straighten it, you can blow it out, whatever. Anyway, let's play with this Ankara scarf. This is a generous piece of fabric, by the way. So I'm gonna pull the hair up into a messy bun, so to speak, and then I'm just gonna tie it. Very simple. Now, my family in Nigeria is Hausa. We don't really tie a headscarf like this, but a lot of Africans do tie it like this, and you can kind of tuck it in whichever way you want. Add some earrings like these Fulani earrings, and boom, feeling like a queen. And hopefully you saw this dress in the last clothing haul I did. Anyway, you should check it out. But doesn't this hair look amazing? Okay, so the more you play with this hair, the bigger it gets, okay? So it was really reminding me of a lion. And you know I am Team Leo. So I love, 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 love this hair so far. Okay, we're looking a little crazy right now, but don't worry, we have a plan. So the wig is off and I have taken out the braids. I'm combing it out. I'm adding a little water. Don't mind the product that you see. We're going to brush her up into a ponytail. Watch and see. Watch and learn. So I'm going to tuck in the headband and basically use it like a half wig, okay? So we've got our ponytail done. And now we're going to secure the wig to the back half of my head, okay? So I got the combs in place. You know, we have several combs. And then I'm also going to use like a bobby pin or a grip for extra security. Okay, ponytail is up. Wig is on. Now you're going to grab 2 pieces of hair from either side and you're going to undo your ponytail or what looks like a ponytail and then twist that together. So my hair with the wig hair. And then I just twist it on top of my head to form a bun. So I've always wanted to try this look with these headband wigs and I was so excited that it worked and it looked super natural. So I had to do a little happy dance. And of course, when you're listening to Missy Elliott, you cannot sit still. So excuse me, but I had to celebrate my hair. Do you see a headband? I don't see a headband. Do you see? Do you see? Okay. I think it was like 1 or 2 a.m. and my daughter was still up, as you can see. She needs to go to bed. Anyway, let's put some accessories in, some pretty hair clips. And there you go. Don't forget to thumbs up, by the way. If you've been watching and enjoyed this video, thumbs up, please. What was your favorite look? The headscarf look, just having it hang down, the side swoop, the top bun. What was your favorite look? Definitely check out HerGivenHair. I will leave the website in the description box. And like I said before, it is a little pricey, but look at it as an investment in yourself or in somebody that you really care about. Or maybe you have a special occasion coming up and you deserve to look nice with hair that looks like it is growing out of your scalp. So as you see, after manipulating the hair, it may look like you lose the curl pattern, but with a little water, it is popping again. And I also wanted you to see that outside what the texture looks like when it is fully dry, and yeah, very beautiful, very natural. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and all the hairstyles that I showed you. I really, really love this hair, and I'm sure you will love it too should you decide to invest in this hair. So I hope I see you soon, and God bless. Bye!